To create a service in Square Appointments, follow these steps. Log into Square Appointments. Go to Square Appointments and log into your account. Access the service settings. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Appointments section and select Settings. Then click on Services to manage your services. Create a new service. Click the Add Service button to create a new service. Fill in service details. Enter the name of the service, a detailed description, and the service duration. You can set the price for the service and apply any applicable taxes. Choose whether the service is taxable or not, and specify the category to keep services organized. Set up custom options. For services with custom requirements, you can add different variations like size, location, or specific options. Set service availability. Define the availability for this service. You can set business hours and adjust when this service is available for customers to book. Save the service. Once all the details are filled out, click Save to finalize and add the service to your Square Appointments page.